how to connect Bluetooth hands-free headset to a Huawei P40 Lite phone. So if you got the Huawei P40 Lite phone and your Bluetooth headset looks similar to that, then you are most likely in the right video. So these here are budget-friendly headsets, which usually come with a single button that operates as a multifunction button. So with that said and done, what you're going to do is make sure the headset is off, and this button right here, you're going to hold it down until you see a blue-red blinking lights. All right, so that's your pairing mode light. So go ahead and do that. Hold it down. Just keep holding it until you see this. Let it go, and that's the pairing mode for your hands-free Bluetooth headset. Next up, you want to go on your Huawei P40 Lite phone, go into the main settings of your phone. Go to settings, that right there, and you'll see where it says Bluetooth. So go into that, tap on the word Bluetooth, and then turn it on from there. This way you can see what's going on. You can see what's searching, what your phone has found, and look at your manual guide to know the name of your headset. Mine is B1S. And when you see it, just tap on it one time. It's going to give you that pairing request, select pair, and it's going to show that it's connecting, and then it'll tell you connected for calls and media audio, and it's fully connected once you see that. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.